Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to fix quick access missing in File Explorer on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. When you try to open File Explorer application, you will directly get this PC option. However, on the previous version of Windows 11, here we get quick access menu with our recent used files and folders. However, with the latest update of Windows operating system, it has been moved to Home. Now, every time you open File Explorer, you have to visit Home to access your quick access menu. However, it can be easily fixed. For that, you have to make some changes. To do so, simply click on this three-dot icon, then click on Options. Here click on General tab, and here you can see when you open File Explorer, it will open this PC. Now simply from the drop-down menu, change it to Home. Then click on OK. After that, simply try to open File Explorer application. Here you can see when we open File Explorer application, now we are getting quick access menu. So that's it. This is a simple trick to fix quick access missing in File Explorer. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.